been craving chocolate and I really want to test out this Oreo brownie mix. I think I'm going to add my own chocolate to it to make it a double chocolate chip vibe, just like Starbucks. So straight out of the box, we have the brownie mix, and it comes with these Oreo crumbs. Put the whole thing inside. And then we add oil and water. This is 1/3 cup oil, 3 tablespoons water, and 1 egg. The whisk and mix her up. You want to scrape down the sides and then repeat. Brownie mix is super thick, so this is what it looks like. I'm now going to add in these Enjoy Life 100% real chocolate chunks, and they are semi-sweet. They're a little bit dusty, but it's still all good. They're a lot of bit dusty, but it's still all good. And then I'm going to drop them into the molds. They're silicone. I don't think I need to grease them. They're cool enough. Here is a close-up. So good. Everything is going all into one place. It's super moist. This probably wasn't the ideal mold for this. But regardless, here you have it. Double chocolate brownies, maybe even triple chocolate brownies if you include the Oreo cookie pieces. Okay, let's try this again. Round 2. First, we're gonna start with the olive oil spray to grease the pan. I'm gonna do about half because I don't have that much batter. So I think that's good. And I might still have to separate them a little bit. Let's see. The chilled dough was so much easier to work with too. I think part of my problem with the first batch was that I also did not wait long enough for it to cool. But let's see if these steps make the difference. We're just trying to spread it out evenly. And this definitely looks like it's giving brownie vibes this round. Before, I was doing too much. I think that's good enough. I really am not even trying to eat more than that, to be honest. This time I'm not going to put the Oreo crumbs on top. So this is what it's giving fresh out of the oven. These were good. I'm so much better at making items from scratch, make it make sense. I don't know, but add a pinch of sea salt and it's beautiful.
Oh, girl, let me see your hands.